start crying.
Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to compress your video file without losing its quality. I had a hard time uploading videos on YouTube, because my video files are around like 1+ gigabytes. So I look for a way to compress it while retaining the quality of the video. It can help the size of the video file, or even 1/4 the size. First, you need to head to this website. You can find the website link is in the description. Download the software and install it. After you install HandBrake on your PC, open the app. We can drag the files that we want to compress our browser folder, or select the video file. After you put the video files you want to compress, you will see this. If you are just compressing one video, you can set the location of the output of the video file here. But if you are doing multiple videos, you can set all of it in a specific folder by heading to Tools Preference in the side menu. Click Output Files and then set the default path you want. After you are done setting it up, just go click the back button and check if the save a spot is correct. I will explain to you the important step I use. First, in the Summary tab, where we can set the format of the visual file to MP4 or MKV file. Then go to the next tab, the Dimensions tab. We can resize the resolution we want. Then next will be the Video tab, where we can set the video codec. I just use the H.264 setting. But if you want to change the video codec, you can adjust the frame rates of the video. We can set it to the same as the source, up to 120 FPS. Then choose peak frame rate. Next, move to quality setting. Set constant quality. I always use the constant quality and set it around 26 to 22. Then after that you can press the Start Encode button. Because I don't usually use the address tabs like the audio, subtitles, and chapter. If you have multiple video files, you need to add to the queue to render all. Click the arrow besides to the Add to Queue button. And then click Add All. After that you will see that the queue will have the number of files. So let's render it now. We will see in the bottom part of the application the details you want to know, like % of the file completion, the FPS average, FPS time remaining, and elapsed time. After it is done, we can see that the file decreased dramatically,